Hey guys, wanna know how to exit from Steampunk Frontier mode in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, let's say you have entered a Steampunk Frontier mode and you've died. So exiting is pretty simple. So right here, if you're on Steampunk Frontier mode or any other mode in PUBG Mobile, to exit you can see this bottom left corner, this exit icon. Just simply select exit. And after that select OK, and once that is done, your Steampunk will be exited successfully. Next thing you can also do is just head towards settings on the top right here, and then select lobby on the bottom left. And once that is done, simply select OK again, and after that your match will be exited and you will be on the main menu. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.